Now we're going to my chicken coop. Say hi. Or do I have to go in? Sorry. Sneezing chicken, stop sneezing. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Hey, mister. I don't think so. Hi, Ruth. Hi, Hen. Hi. Sneezy one. This one, the one beside this black one, she's having a bath. And this is what they do when I'm here and I have snow on my boot. Can I go, please? Rooster! Can I get out, please? Bye! Now on to our next animal. Bye, chickens! Moo-moos! Now we're going over here to see what's going on over here. Do you guys want to be on the video as well? And then I go down here. Hi, big girl. Stormy, move! Can you move? There. Do you want me to turn the truck on? Do you want me to turn the truck on? I'm going to take it. Can I take the truck up to Uncle? Can I take the truck up to Uncle Daryl's? Okay. Not hearing what I say. I mean. Taking scraps to my good chickens. Do you guys like scraps? Do you? Hi, Rooster. Stop sneezing that chicken.